Welcome to Toy Review UK, this is Theo, and today we are reviewing the Emoji Surprise Egg.
So we've got 3 of these Emoji Surprise Eggs. What do you think is going to be in them, Theo?
So I think there'll be some sweets and an emoji in every bag.
An emoji in every bag, wow. So these were only very cheap and very affordable. I've got no idea what's in them. Theo thinks he might have worked out what might be in them.
Yeah, because I've worked out them. So there's like candy and lots of fun.
Yeah, and obviously the things in there, we're expecting them to be emoji themed, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we open one then and see what's in it? Go. Ooh. You need me to open it. So we've got to take the label off first.
Absolutely, it's the hardest to open.
Ooh, it's hard to open.
Only if you have a penknife, you can easily do it.
Oh, I managed.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh!
Ooh.
You should use a penknife if you've got one.
There we go, label off. Open the egg, Theodore. Good technique. What have we got?
So we've got a little...
I think that is a little, let me show you, Theo. That's a little emoji football raffle with a worried emoji.
Now we've got some emoji stickers.
What stickers have we got? What emojis?
2 emoji, a love heart emoji, love heart, crush emoji, high five emoji, high five, money, punch, unicorn and monkeys.
Awesome. And then
And some books.
some little yellow candies. Okay, awesome. So hopefully we'll get different emojis and different stickers in each egg. Here we go. I'll take the wrapper off egg number 2. Pom pom pom, get that open. Oh, what have we got? Oh, what is it? Is it like a toy? Like a shooter?
Yeah, it is.
There we go. So it's like a disc shooter. Ah! Ow! So this is, what would you describe this emoji as?
It's a...
It's kind of a bit scared, maybe? I don't know.
It's like that emoji.
If you know how to describe that emoji, what should they do?
Let us know in the comments down below.
Okay.
Ah!
It's gone. And we've got some more candies. And, oh, these stickers are cool. So loads of...
So, there's,
That's me, that one there with the sunglasses, the cool guy emoji.
sunglasses, jealous, winky, scared, happy.
I like crying eyes, that's my most used emoji.
Yes.
Awesome.
Love emoji and kiss emoji, happy emoji and
Cool guy emoji, aka Theo's dad emoji.
no, it's me.
Right, let's get the label off.
Use your penknife.
My penknife's upstairs. Here we go. Oh no, I accidentally opened it. It's okay. I didn't really see. And it's closed again. Go on, FIFO. What have we got, Thief?
Another disc.
Oh, the same. With exactly the same emoji on it as well.
So we
we've got...
can give it away to someone.
Oh, we could have disc shooter battles.
Yeah.
And it's the same stickers. Exactly the same stickers. So we got 2 eggs exactly the same and 1 different. That's okay though, isn't it? The emoji stickers are really going to be cool and useful and fun. What do you think about these emoji surprise eggs, Theo?
Really cool.
What's your favourite thing out of them?
So I like the disc shooter. I like all the candy and this one because it has poop emoji.
Ah, classic poop emoji banter.
Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.
Bye! I'm gonna get you! Ah!